Welcome to Learn English Smoothly. I am in the classroom. I am going to school now. I am eating my breakfast. I am reading a storybook. I am watching a movie tonight. I am cleaning my bedroom. I am writing in my notebook. I am drinking a glass of water. I am walking to the park. I am cooking rice for lunch. I am learning English every day. I am listening to music now. I am playing with my friends. I am running in the garden. I am waiting for the bus. I am helping my mother today. I am talking on the phone. I am looking at the stars. I am studying my lessons. I am working on my homework. I am brushing my teeth. I am wearing a blue shirt. I am shopping at the market. I am cooking dinner tonight. I am washing the dishes. I am driving to the city. I am going to travel tomorrow. I am opening the window. I am closing the door. I am playing a guitar. I am waiting for my friend. I am smiling at you. I am laughing at a joke. I am sleeping on the bed. I am buying some fruits. I am standing near the shop. I am watching TV with my family. I am preparing my exam. I am watering the plants. I am painting a picture. I am singing a nice song.